Welcome to the home of authoritative news coverage. My name is Jesse Rogers. Our sign language interpreter tonight is Meresha Owiti. Let's start with news from Homa Bay County, where the county's deputy governor, Oyugi Magwanga, has resigned. Magwanga cited unbearable frustrations that led to his stepping down. Magwanga says he was forced to take the action due to difficulties allegedly orchestrated by his boss, Governor Gladys Wanga. The two have not been seeing eye to eye since they were elected into office in 2022. Listen in.
Since assuming office, I have endeavored to discharge my mandate with integrity and loyalty to the people who elected us. However, beginning December 2025, I was denied access to my official office after the locks were changed without formal communication. I was consequently compelled to proceed on early annual leave under circumstances that were not voluntary. I have resolved to resign from the office of the deputy governor with immediate effect.
That's a story